I graduated WCL in 2017, and I am currently a project officer at the International Nuremberg Principles Academy. I discovered international criminal law while I was an undergraduate. I did a study abroad in Geneva, Switzerland, and took a class in international law and discovered that this was a combination of international relations, which I was studying, and criminal law, which I'd always been fascinated by. So it just sort of clicked in my head, and it was an opportunity to ensure that no matter where you live, you still get justice for atrocity crimes committed against you. WCL has great programs within international criminal law, international humanitarian law, human rights law, all those related fields. So I worked, while I was at WCL, I did the practicum at the War Crimes Research Office, which was a great opportunity to work directly for the International Tribunal, writing memos for them. I also did the Lawyering in Peace program, which where you get an opportunity to work for the Public International Law and Policy Group, which is a public international law firm that works in peace negotiations, helping countries to recover from armed conflict, which allowed me to do a lot of really practical, practice-focused research for clients directly, client-writing memos on questions of how do you rebuild society after conflict, and how do you ensure that there is justice and accountability after a conflict that involves serious atrocity crimes. My advice is to take advantage of everything that WCL has to offer. There are so many things that you can do. Really take advantage of everything. Moot courts are a great thing. There's the ICC Moot Court, which I did while I was also at WCL. It's great opportunities to do trial advocacy classes, to do clinics. Really take advantage of opportunities to do internships while you're in school. Even the ability to get academic credit for it, so you're not working entirely for free. My advice is really to pursue your passions and take advantage of every opportunity.